I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to export table data to file in Visual Studio Code. So first here, let's open this place, Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is open there. There I'm waiting for SQL Developer to come. So there I'm going to use the Oracle or database to export the table data into the file. So this come there. Let's click on this SQL developer. HR connection I already have. Get the password. So this is now loading here. You can see this tables that's present there. Right click, then click on this open the table, then go into the data. So this data that's come there. Here you have the option to export. Click on this export. Then you have the option to export in CSV format, JSON format, delimited, and if I scroll down text, this all options are there. So let's use the CSV. Then header. So if you want to include this employee ID, first name, last name, email, then you should check this. If you don't want to, then you can uncheck. Thereafter file and clipboard. So file, that's fine. Thereafter click on this browse. So browse, let's skip their desktop and giving the file name employees. Employees, click on this save. So this is the location. Thereafter click on this export. So this here exported on the desktop. If you want, then open from here, or there this you can see on this desktop employees file that's come there. Let's go into the properties. So employees, but here you didn't see any extension. So extension is not displaying. So if you want to, okay, let's open into the text format. So this here you can see this all that's come there with the header. Now the next is, so this I'm going to delete this because this is not displaying into the CSV format. So let's give export once again, then browse, then giving here employees dot CSV. Manually giving, you should give the dot CSV. Save, then click on this export. So now let's go there. So this here, let's go into the properties. So our type of file, Excel CSV dot CSV, that's come there. So here, if you want, then you can change. So dot CSV, then that means this is the CSV file format. Now right click, then click on this, edit and open. So now you can see. So this was previous because that's deleted. Now this come there. So if you want, then you can give the extension manually or let it. But this is how we can here export this file data. So this is how we can export table data to file in the Visual Studio Code. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.